So that's the main aim. So fourth point. So in 2 hours, I'll speak 30 minutes theory and 30 minutes theory, and just 1.5 hour we go for practical. Okay, so just understand, and rest of them are practical. Rest of them are practical. Okay, so let's introduce today. So the agenda for today's session is I introduce with my introduction and data science glance. Data science glance means where Gen AI fit in, where Gen AI, LLM models, and Creo AI fit in data science journey. So let's understand this one. And many of them knows what is Gen AI, but still I just have a small introductions of Gen AI. And then we talk about what is Creo AI agents, and I give you a simple examples of agents, and then we find out the differentiation among LLM models and Creo AI agents. And we do first projects, Creo AI integrations with OpenAI API key and Serper API key. So I'll introduce a new API key develop system. So Serper, what is mean by that? I'll get back to you. And second project, two projects we're going to work today. Second one is Creo AI integrations with Gemini, LangChain, and DuckDuckGo. So we introduce here we introduce LangChain framework, Gemini model, and Serper API key and OpenAI API key. So this would be our framework, and this framework we connected to Gemini, and Serper is API key, and OpenAI is we generate a OpenAI API key, and let's work the practical, guys. And the next one, also from tomorrow, a new batch start. So I'll introduce the batch schedule, time, durations, and also if you brand new and you want to learn about LLM models and Gen AI, I just give you some recordings. You can refer to it, and then we have a question and answers. And then I mentioned this point. I hope let's talk about these things. So these are the agenda for today's session. Shall we go ahead for the next part, guys? Everybody clear? Everybody clear? So I do understand because some of my students also joined because they want to make a resume. So you can mention these technical points in your profile as well. So the one who students who joined for the first time, uh, they don't know about me. And anybody joined for the first time who first class with me, guys? So you can raise your hands, or I just have. I do see Paddy and okay, Satvik, Manoj. Okay, Aditya. Thank you, guys. So, am I clear? Am I clear, guys? I mean, whatever I'm speaking, are you guys understand? Okay, just you can use your chat window. As I promise you, I will speak with you at the end, and let's work with me. And today's sessions, if you have any questions, good morning, Amul Rishabh, everyone. So I can see your chat window as well. I can get back to your messages in its YouTube live, but I don't think so. It's in live. Well, anyway, let's see that. Okay, let's start. So the first point, the agenda of today's session, just now we discussed. Just now we discussed. Okay. So today workshop was any questions we'll discuss at the end. I made simple PPT presentations to understand things easily. Either you come from tech background or either you come from non-tech background, it doesn't matter. And 30 minutes theory, and then rest of them we go ahead for practical. And also the agenda, as I repeat again few things, the agenda, my introduction, data science glance, I mean where Gen AI, LLM, Creo AI fit in data science journey, data science journey. And after that, I'll share this GitHub, and the GitHub you can get this documentations. And what is Gen AI, how Creo AI agents, how they are different with LLM models. And I bring up two projects today, and the projects are very super cool, and about new batch and all those things we have. Let's continue. So the first thing is my introductions. As I already taken many workshops. So every workshops, I'm just introduce myself. Like for old people, I mean, for my old existing students, you don't, you know about me, and you attend guys my classes and all those things. For the new, okay. So my name is Prakash Senapathi. You can catch me in my LinkedIn profile. Okay, so you can catch me in my LinkedIn profile. So here you go ahead and you can type my name. You get to see my work experiences. You can get to see my profile and which domain I worked in, my projects, and all those things, which companies I've been worked before. This is a corporate profile, and I already mentioned my expertise. So I have 17-year industry experience, and after COVID many things has been changed. So right now I'm engaging with some of my personal client we have, guys. So I'm full-time work with them, and I have teaching experience more than 10 plus years. So these are institutes or big tech, ed tech companies. I've been trained them, and right now I'm a experienced trainer in NareshIT. So I do provide the new batches using offline and online, and the location is Amirpet, which is in Hyderabad. So all those things we get back to you later, guys. Are you clear? So I just had a short introductions, and to get to know about me, to get to know about me, just reach out to me on LinkedIn, okay, so that we can have more conversations. If you want anything know about me, guys. Next one. Clear. See, I don't spend much time on my introductions because rather than, I know today's Sunday, so let's understand everything and wrap up. Clear. Okay. So go here, and this journey we done. This part we completed, my introductions. Next, talk about this one. Okay. So in the meantime, I just want to ask, team, just ping me. Everybody hear me properly or any glitch? Everything clear from my side? Screen sharing and voice, all those things. Okay. Now you have to check from your I mean your internet side. Okay. And I do appreciate my some of existing students joined, and let's have continue this one. Now I want to show you a presentations which uh just slideshow and current slide. Have a look at this. Data science. It's one of the very powerful technology. It's been emerging technology since 10 years. And 10 years back, we don't have much opportunity of this field. And I'm going to split down data science into three parts, like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. So supervised learning, also called structured data or labeled data. Unsupervised learning also we call as unstructured data and unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning, which is the data, okay, learns from environment. So here, this part, if you guys beginner, so in one sessions, it's very hard to understand. So you want to watch some previous recording or you want to attend my upcoming classes, which gonna start from tomorrow. Okay. Now, in supervised learning, we have machine learning concepts comes into the picture. In machine learning, we have a three type of topics like regressions, classifications, clustering. And in machine learning, we train the data with label data, like we pass a Excel sheets or CSV file, and the model, we build a model predicted and validate the model predictions, and also we test the model and we deploy model. So in this case, we pass structured data, means Excel sheets, data set, and we have many more file on this one. Now, unsupervised learning, artificial. In machine learning, a developer or user feed the data to the machines, means we train the data. So maybe the data would be 1 GB, 2 GB over here. And in unsupervised learning, okay, in unsupervised learning, the data is text, audio, image, video, and this is called unstructured data. For unstructured data, a developer has to train these unstructured data to the machines to build a AI models, guys, to build a deep learning model or neural network model. Guys, are you clear? I hope understand this two section, supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, we have NLP, deep learning, neural network, or transformers. We have many more things. I just don't make pictures more complexity. So every session, if I drill down each and every box, it's going to be so big. So, but simple layman terms, and reinforcement learning. Here, generative AI comes into the picture. What is generative AI? So, before I come into this one, so generative AI is a subset of AI techniques that focus creating new content or data that resemble. So, here, content creations, models, and applications, training, ethical considerations. So, I mean to say, in Gen AI, I hope you understand GPT. This is one of the applications of generative AI. And same way, if you refer to this, generative AI also build up with large language model. What are the large language model we have? We have OpenAI, which created large language model. Google also created model, and Meta and Cloudy. So, see, I hope in my previous classes we've been done Gemini AI because we load a prompt and we generate a response, isn't it? But to make the language model more interactive, I mean to say, in LLM model, user type one query, okay, and the LLM model generate one response, isn't it, guys? The LLM model generate only one responses. But what is Creo AI? So Creo AI, it has multiple agents, and so that it will create multiple responses, guys. I hope understand, guys. So here, AI agents, we have three type of AI agents. We have many still research are working on AI agents. The one is Crew AI, Super AGI. You heard about AGI. It's next upcoming big thing, and Unfetch. So I hope understand this diagram. How many of them clear? How many of them clear? So the student voice, okay. The student who are from non-technical background, I hope definitely you guys understand this graph. Am I correct, guys? Let me know. Let me know. Okay, very good, Pawan. Okay, so the student who not okay, see this diagram, and so everything generative AI, large language models, AI agents, everything comes under data science part. So once you learn data science, you can have exposure on ML, you should have exposure on AI, you should have exposure on Gen AI. So in the market, every field has every job designations. We have machine learning engineer, AI engineer, generative AI engineer, LLM model developers, and NLP engineer, deep learning engineer, neural network engineer. So these many jobs you can work, and entire models or predictions model we build using Python. So Python programming language is the best and easiest and very good program language to work with all these models. And while we build regressions, while we build machine learning model, we need to check performance of the model. So that's why we need to understand statistics. And before statistics, we also understand how the data behaves. For that, we have to go for EDA. So guys, I hope you understand. So I can mention a very crystal data science is, it's a combination of, okay, ML plus AI plus Gen AI and plus LLM models, okay, plus statistics. We required little math as well, and calculus, linear algebra. Not much required, all this calculus and all those things required. And this data science, DS, we will build using Python. And the best part of learn data science that if you have Google Colab, you can work every data science projects. You can work every DS projects, guys. Because team, ninth point clear, everybody. So we just covered 1 to ninth point, and I just want response from everyone, like a 7 point clear. What is LLM models we discuss, the architecture we discuss, and that's what we will say: AI, ML, neural network, deep learning, Gen AI, large language model. Understand, guys? So the next one. So what are the topic we covered so far? So the first thing, so this is what we have age agenda, and then my introductions we done, and some of the architectures of data science, and where GenAI fits in data science, and where LLM model fits in data science, and where AI agents fits in data science, guys. So we just done this now. Have a look at this. What is generative AI? Let me tell you, I already 10th. I already taken a workshop on generative AI. It's 2 hours. In that, I explained what is GANs and what is transformer and what is architecture. Okay, so transformers, GANs and VQGAN, and how I built Gen AI model, generative AI model using CLIP, a multi-model. So also transformers, I have multi-model architecture, multi-model architecture. So I already had taken one workshop. I will share the link at last. So you can refer that. Please, you can refer to it for better understanding. Okay. Now, second one, just go here and 10th point. Now let's go to the 11th. Let's go to the 11th. We done this now. And from current slide, what is CrewEye? Okay, I want to give you one example before I get into the documentations part, and then we go to the practical. Let's see, you write the statements, you read the statements, guys. It's very simple written. Imagine you run a bakery shop, and you need to managing different tasks in the bakery. Normal customers will visit to it, and they want to, so you need to help managing different tasks like taking orders, bake the food, and deliver the products, isn't it? So here, how many tasks? One, two, three. Instead of hiring people for each job, for example, for how many tasks we have, guys? We have 3 tasks. So taking orders and bake the food and deliver product. So we have 3 tasks, isn't it? And one bakery owner. So what he do, if you see, normally he hired 3 people or not to do this activity. So rather than 3 people he need to hire, instead of hiring people for each job, you have a team of AI agents that can do these tasks automatically. Are you guys understand? So one assistant takes order. So what is meant by AI agents? In AI agents, one assistant takes order, one agent take order, another agent prepared the recipe, another or agent it handle deliveries. So Crew AI acts like a manager. It ensures that all these assistants communicate and work together smoothly to run your bakery without you having constantly oversee each task. Guys, I hope understand. Are you guys clear what is meant by Creo AI now? So Creo AI is a automated bots which can do multiple tasks in one time. So Creo acts like manager. These assistants communicate and work together. So AI agents are intelligent system that can perform multiple tasks autonomously. But in LLM model, you can't do multiple tasks, isn't it, guys? In LLM model, when you ask a prompt, the prompt called fetch the API key and generate a response. But here, AI agent like a smart digital helper that can make decisions and take actions on its own. So Creo AI here. Creo AI is a multiple agents and each agent playing a specific role, similarly to a human team and its primary strength. And I hope understand, guys. So now let me tell you, Creo AI is used for multi-agent workflow in tasks like content creation, stock analysis, email management. So that's why. So this Creo AI integrations with various LLM models. Team, I hope you guys understand what is meant by Creo AI. So, team, are we clear? Are we clear? Or let me, these are very simple and straightforward examples. So, what exactly mean by Creo AI? Creo AI means we can have multiple agents work together. So, to boost up our work productivity, and LLM models you cannot. So, that's why these agents are integrated with LLM models. Understood. Thank you. Okay, good, Shivani. So, the next one, let's go here and okay, go ahead to this part now. So before I introduce introductions to QI done, and we know how many LLM models we have: OpenAI GPT, Google Gemini, and Meta Llama. We have all those things. So Creo AI is a framework that allows us to create AI agents where each agent has its own expertise and instructions. Together, the agents will work towards solving one large complex agents. Yes, Raju, I already done one practical LangChain agents. These agents you will integrate with multiple OpenAI models. Understand, Raju? So these agents we add with multiple AI agents. Okay, now LLM models. Let me tell you the last theory before I go back to the practical. Understand, so the difference between LLM models and Creo AI agents, because you when you mention in your resume, so this type of interview questions the might you guys might encounter. So what is LLM model, what is Creo AI? So you need to have a detailed clarity. And then, sir, voice is not audible. So guys, voice is not audible. Online team, Lokesh saying it's good. No, Lokesh, can you check your side? No, it's audible. Am I louder or am I louder, guys? Crystal clear. Okay, it's clear. Yes, good. Okay, so Lokesh, can you please check your side? All right, just have a look at this. Now, we know, guys, we have many LLM models because these basics things, I don't want to waste the time. I mean to say LLM models, as everyone know from OpenAI, and then we have like, I don't want to write this because you guys know it. LLM model, let me have last theory, then we go to the practical. The primary function of LLM model is to process and generate language, answer question. So what exactly models do? LLM models do. We can build ChatGPT model, we can build Gemini model, we can build Llama 3 model. We already built in previous workshops. I will share this link. So when you enter a prompt, it will generate language, answer questions, and write content, image generations, and answer complex questions. These things done by your LLM models. The highly generalized model, and they handle broad range of tasks like answer questions and generate text, translating languages. So LLMs best suited for applications like chatbots, content creations, customer support, translations, summarizations, coding help. You know, guys, most of the time, because of GPT, because of LLM model, many non-technical people already transit the career to technical, and they successful work in the organizations because of help of these tools. So trust me, these LLM models tools, these LLM model tools, it's very much helpful for everyone, for everyone. Understand, guys? So this is LLM models. Now, what is Creo AI agents? Now, Creo AI focus multiple agent collaborations where several AI agents work together complex tasks. Each agent might responsible for specific functions, and Creo AI manage the communication, collaborate. For example, you have a birthday. So in the birthday, you can assign multiple tasks to multiple people, isn't it? Your friends, your uncle, and your family members to take the functions grant. So here, Creo AI agents, what exactly it do? It done the task automatically. So rather than he can assign the work to multiple people, it can assign the task to multiple agents and everything done automatically, guys. For example, as I told you one scenario, the example of bakery, and another example in a project manager scenario, management scenario, a Creo AI agents handle schedule the jobs, tracks progress, communication with client, all working together to achieve the overall goal. So each agent is more specialized instead of trying to do everything. Multiple agents with work together and each handles specific part of large task. So guys, I hope understand now. So today I feel everybody clear what is difference between LLM models versus Creo AI. So as I told you, to understand these terms, if you are completely new and never into coding background before, so might hard time to understand, guys, might hard time to understand. So I required a little LLM knowledge. When you have, then that would be good, that would be good. Okay, so that would be good. Now I hope we done, or 30 minutes we completed. Let's go ahead to the practical. So today I'm going to go ahead to the first practical, and before that, first project, and before, I want to go to the documentations 14th. Just let's introduce to first project, and here I want to log into Creo AI documentations. Just go here and okay, so just go to the Google, and so Creo AI, log into the Creo AI. Okay, so let's have a look at to the Creo AI. So this is multiple agent platforms. So do you see you can integrate with all these models, and the leading multi-agents platform streamline workflow across industry with powerful AI agents, build and deploy automated workflow using any LLM and cloud platform. Do you see how many the top companies are use this Creo AI, like Deloitte, Oracle, KPMG, the complete platform for multi-agent automation. So build quality, deploy. So it is one of the powerful tool, guys, where companies also using that, where company also using that. Team, I hope understand. So let's close it. And here, if you, one moment, okay, just 1 second. Okay, home enterprise. So you can refer this, guys. Creo AI, it plan, build, deploy, monitor, and iterate. So everything it deploy done by your Creo AI tool. So escape. Now the next one, I want to refer to the documentations. Let's go to the documentations. So team, are you following me? Team, are you following me, guys? Everyone? Yes, yes. At Lokesh, you're not able to hear. Let me tell you who is the Lokesh. Man, please check your internet connections, okay? Because it's fine for everyone. All right, buddy. So I want you to please have fix your internet. If not, if not, it's a live class. You can go and listen again, guys. Are you clear? Okay. Understand, Lucas? So Creo AI documentations, in the documentations, you can install Creo AI, start a new Creo AI. What is the core concepts? The core concepts, we have agents, task, tools, process, pipeline, training, memory, planning, testing. So how to guide? So this is all the, I don't want to read entire documents here. So I hope you can refer to this doc to understand each and every detail, guys. So now the best way to work anything, I just go here and mention, let's open a GitHub of Creo AI. Okay. So what is the fifth, first project? Let's go to the Crew AI GitHub. Okay. Now 15th. In this GitHub, okay, let me log in now. Do you see Crew AI? So it is a framework, role-playing autonomous AI agents by collaborating intelligence and empowers agents to work together seamlessly and tackling with complex tasks. So it's clearly mentioned the power of AI has too much to offer. Now, Creo provides the backbone of sophisticated multi-agents interactions. Now here, how to install Creo? Pip install Creo AI. And then if you want to install the Creo AI package along with its tools, it include additional tools for agents. You can do by using following command, pip install Creo AI tools. So what I'm going to do now, very simple. I can log into my, just go to Google, and please don't do this project because it asking for Google Colab. Anyone has a paid API key? Anyone has a paid API key? Just let me know. Anyone has paid API key? Anybody has no. Okay, OpenAI API key, no problem. So let me write down, let me check this. I will show you how to create this. Now I'll go to my Google Colab and then welcome to Google Colab, and just let me here new notebook. I'll create a new notebook over here and just wait for some time. Okay. Now, very simple code. What I'm going to do, let's go to the documentations and copy, and I will apply here, Control V. Let's install pip install Creo AI. Just wait for some time. It's installing. Okay. So very simple. What I done, the first projects I referred to the GitHub of Creo AI, and you can also, if you want to work, but you cannot get the output because I will show you what is the reason. Just wait. Second practical we'll do together. All right, guys. Second practical we do together. Let's install all these packages, Creo AI. Okay. So pip install Creo AI. Very simple. And I think still the installation is going on. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Cyrus, what is agent? See, when we go to the agent, it's internally the, you know what we say, agent means, in bank we have many agents, guys, or not? So in Creo AI is a digital agents. Understand? Sai, I hope understand. Yeah. Installing LangChain internally. Yep. Understand, Sai? You ask your questions. I already told you. The agents means you can see many agents, guys. Like, if you go to the bank, you can find many agents. If you go to the registered, the house property, you guys can get multiple agents. The same way, digital agents, guys, there's a QA. So you don't ask your questions how the agents look, how the chatbot looks, guys. When you ask your questions, it is it's a code, it's a internal develop these things. Okay, buddy. Sai, I hope understand. You ask your questions, and Sairaj. All right. So now go to the next. What is the next part? So I will load this now. Pip install Creo AI. Now let me load install Creo AI tools. Okay. After you install this, please install Creo AI tools. I'm not doing anything. I'm just referred to the doc, which is given by, this one. Okay. Okay. Just wait. The two things we've been completed. Now go to the code. So here, setting off a crew. So let me copy the entire code and I am pasting here. Okay, now I will remove. Okay, so from crew AI agent, okay, task, we assign the task to the crew AI and crew process. If you refer to the doc, if you refer to the crew agent docs, you can find all the details, guys. Do you see this one? This is architecture. In this architecture, so agents have innate ability to reach out to the another delegate, work, ask a questions. So we have multiple tasks, multiple agents assigned. Understand, team? So each agent's process define how agents will work together, how tasks will assigned, interactions with each other, how they will perform work. So this is what tasks can override agents tools with. So this is what input, this is what outcome. So these are very simple architectures. So any task, you have multiple agents to work. See, guys, you have rather than one person work for you, if 10% work for you, which is more faster? The 10% who is working under you, it's very faster, isn't it? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm copy this entire code and I'll refer to my, and I'm referred to my this one. So here, there are two things I want to highlight. The first thing is the first project Crew AI integration with OpenAI API and Serper API key. What is OpenAI? OpenAI is the company which created ChatGPT. OpenAI is the company which created ChatGPT. What is Serper API key? And understand, okay, one second. What is Serper API key? Serper is an API that allows developer to retrieve Google search results in a structured format. I mean, it can use to pull search data such as web pages, news articles, summaries, and integrate them into other applications. So guys, are you understand what is meant by Serper API? Serper, so using Serper API key, we can search data from web pages, news articles, summarize, and integrate them into other applications. So this useful for building search functionality within apps without relying on Google traditional interfaces. For example, developers can use the API to automatic fetch and summarize news articles related to specific search queries, making it easier and generated quick insights from Google search results. So guys, I hope understand. So normally what exactly this Serper API key, it can be helpful when you build any app to fetch the data from web browsers and collaborate with LLM models and give it to your final response. Are you guys understand? Are you guys understand, team? Everyone? Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, so let's try to understand. If you refer to the code, they ask two API key, OpenAI API key and Serper API key. I need to generate the two API key. So I just go to here and you can write, okay, just Google and platform dot OpenAI. Okay. OpenAI dot API key. So OpenAI platform. So just go here. Okay. Once you log into this, guys, I log into my account. So you have ChatGPT, right? So you can log into your account. In the account, just go to API references. You can go to API references. In the API references, or you can go to dashboard. In the dashboard, you can get API keys. So what is the difference between LLM outputs, LLM model and Serper output? Okay, LLM models has more better than Serper API key. Serper, it will search and connected to the models, but LLM models produce the output. Amit, are you clear? So Serper API, we can search the data and feed to the LLM model to build your application. But LLM model, it can connect with, see, LLM model without Connect Serper API, also you can get the data. But when you work with Creo AI, you have to add Serper and then you can combine multiple work. Amit Kumar, I hope understand. Good question. Yes, buddy? Yes. Now, once you get API key, create new secret key. So let me tell you, um, you can also create new OpenAI key, but it not work. You can try. The reason being, I think 2000 May month 2023, OpenAI company stop providing free source. So that's why we need to pay. So I already paid to that. It's very simple payment process. You go to billing, you can have playground, just or maybe dashboard, or you go to uses or API references. In the API references, you can have just 1 second. Okay, your profile. Do you see billing, guys? Go to your open profile and you go to billing. And in the billing, what I made, so I payment on September 7. So this is third payment and payment method. So you can add your card and add payment method and automatically deduct. And I think it's a $5. And what is the payment method? It will give you 16 points. OpenAI by default deduct $5 US price means $5 into 80. How much bucks, guys? I think it's 400, 420 something, or maybe you consider as 450 with taxes. So if you refer to that, okay, let me tell you, many people say like you can generate your OpenAI API key free, but I don't find that because I try multiple way. So I didn't get, so there's no payment, I mean, no free versions given by OpenAI. Just go here and I'll go to my profile and go to the dashboard. I paid done. And after that, go to uses. And when you check, so let's have view monthly billing here. Okay. Now credit grants. So these are the payments I made. So out of $5, I spent $0.51 and I have this much of credit balance to work with OpenAI. So this is a paid account. So once you paid and after that you unsubscribe the payment part. Very simple. I'll try to explain you. So this projects you don't work. I will tell you the next projects. OpenAI is a paid, you need to be paid. The user has to paid to get API key. So just give me 2 seconds. I'll get my API key. In the meantime, I just pause my screen and I'll collect my API key of 1 second. Let me copy and just one moment. Okay. Control V. Okay, guys, you can see my screen now. Okay. So what I done, I just load my API key here. So the next one, Serper API key. Online team, are you understand now? Online team, are you understand everyone? Guys, what we doing right now? Okay, yes. So very simple. What I done in the code, I just go up and here, I just go up and what we done, we just install pip install Creo. I just refer to the doc and in the doc, and then I install my Creo AI tools. And then the third, to work on a Creo AI with multiple agents after installation, what I done, I just load my OpenAI API key. Now let's create Serper API key. So just go to my documents and here, just 1 second, I'll create the Serper API key. Very simple. Okay. So how do you log into the Serper API key? Very simple. Go to the Google and you can type Serper API key. And if you open this one, you can find all the detail. The world's fastest and cheapest Google search API. Experience unparalleled speed with industry leading SERP API, delivering fast Google search results in 2 seconds at an unbeatable price. So this is a free for everyone. It will 2,500 credits free for first time user, but second time onwards it will ask for a payment. So how to do that? Just, and here once you sign up, I already sign up. You create your personal detail, the way you log into the account, and I've been done that, and I just go to my dashboard. And if you go to the dashboard, so out of 2,500 I used almost like 15 credits. Now I have this much of credits left. So when you work these integrations, so request last 30 days 13 and 24 hours 13, all those details I use now. And so API key, you can get, this is copy API key, and I'll mention here as, just one second, and control V. Okay, guys. So in the code, what I done my, the first one from Creo AI, import agent task Creo process, and then you can go for it. Okay, so if you refer to this, import OS from the Creo AI agent task, because agent will work on a task with Creo and they process the work. Very simple, guys. These are the modules we import from Creo AI. And from Creo AI tools, Serper dev tool we used, and I used OpenAI API key. Very simple. Now, after that, you can create a variable for Serper dev tool, and let's do. Define your work. What is the role? Senior research analyst. What is senior research analyst do, guys? This is the senior research analyst role. First, agent one. Task will give. The goal is uncover cutting edge development in AI and data science. What is the story? The work at leading tech think tank. Your expertise lies on identifying emerging trends. Very simple. We'll give one story and we'll give one goal and assign the role to these agents. Are you clear? Are you clear, guys? This is research. Define your agents with roles and goals. Roles and goals. And then I create another variable, writer, agent, another agent. So this is one agent, this is another agent. Another agent, can you please create a strategy of my business? And again, role, goal. Create a task. Now, agents we defined. Now we need to define a task or not. Two agent I define, and we can assign either two tasks or one task. It's all depends on you. And the task we given in conduct a comprehensive analysis for latest advancement in 2024. Task 1. Using insight product provided, develop an engaging blog, highlights and most significant AI advancement. So finally, instantiate your Creo with, see, where do I get this code? Very simple. I just refer to my GitHub of Creo AI. So when you refer to the GitHub, 3 lines of code we done. So pip install Creo AI, Creo AI tools, and setting up your crew. I just combine my OpenAI API key and Serper API key and just have, look at this. So once you're done, now just go to the result and let's execute. So let me check. So team, are you understand the practical and theory? So you can do, go to after the class, you can pay $5 and get an OpenAI API key, because I'll teach you multiple practicals over here. And then let's close it. Okay, now try this. Do you see what agents? Now let me tell you, see the nice responses it's generating. Now the first thing is, what is today's date? I think working agent, senior research analyst. Starting task. Okay. I told you this agents. What is the first agent? Senior analyst. What is the first task? Comprehensive study in 2024. Do you see this, guys? Just go ahead and little minimize. Now, what exactly done? Identify the key trends, breakthrough technologies, and potential industry impacts. Actually, nowadays, these companies are working on agents. So that's what I bring up these projects because in my one of students got placed in one of company, and he's working on agents, and that's why I thought to bring up these workshops on a live basis so that everybody can work. And happily, you can mention on your resume these things, guys. Now, if you see, uh, guys, are you clear? So this is agent, this is task. Next, enter a new crew agent, execute to conduct comprehensive analysis of latest advancement. If you go down now, okay, thought, agents, task, thoughts. I now have several sources that discuss the latest announcement. My question to you is, the 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 role which we provide, we haven't passed any PDF, we haven't passed any documents to it. So what exactly happened in this practical? We add OpenAI API key and Serper. So this LLM model search using Serper API and fetch the content and deliver to us, guys. Isn't it a very better thing? So if you work same things in a little model, you take more work, and final answer is comprehensive analysis of latest advancement. Key: multimodal AI, generative AI, small language model AI, agentic AI, customized generative AI, retrieval RAG, open source AI, AI in use cases, AI democratization, and workplace AI, breakthrough technology. What are the breakthrough technology for each 10 points? Each breakthrough technology and this comprehensive analysis underscore the rapid advancement of applications of AI 2024. Isn't it amazing, guys? So I don't know how many of them understand, but really this is one of the powerful where every organizations they're looking for the product. So guys, just answer me. How many of them understand up to this session? How many of them understand up to this, Swati? Clear? Very good. Anyone else? So this is a very simple and uh, fantastic way. So if you refer to this, and now let's go down, scroll down, and all the agents. So do you see multiple agents work for us? Now, what is the second agent working? Now, the second agent to craft a blog post. What is the second role I assign to the agent? Now, the first role agent I assign to the agent is what is the first task? Senior research analyst. And the task I've been assigned to, please conduct a comprehensive analysis of latest advance in 2024 about and identify key trends, breakthrough technology, and potential industry impacts. This is the first agent I assigned. What is the second agent? The second work we assign to the agent is you are renowned content strategy, insightful and engaging articles. So now the same things, if you refer to that, if you refer to this, the same things it is given by agents and in detail, complements analysis, key trends. I ask these questions and breakthrough technologies and potential industry impacts, how AI impact to this industry, healthcare, finance, autonomous vehicles, content creations, workplace productivity. Every company, they, because of these agents, they create your workplace, retail, educations, and manufacturing. Now finish chain. One task is done. Next, go to the another task. So another task is to craft a compiling blog post. I'm telling agents to please do this task for me. Do you see multiple tasks happen at once? That's the power of multi-agents, guys. And then here, if you see this, guys, I have found several relevant multimodal AI. And the second task, now I can give a great answer. My best complete final answer to the task is this is the questions we've been assigned to my agents. Multimodal AI, use case in 2024. And which department? Healthcare, manufacturing, financial. Notable examples: smart factories, healthcare applications, manufacturing, generative AI, notable, agent AI, and finished chain. So, guys, I hope you understand. These are the so do we use crew agents, concepts, agree? Yes, you can, Krish. But you need to have a proper data for that. So finally, it sum up transform a trend. And when you combine all those things, and this is what your output. So I hope understand, guys. These multiple agents work similarly and responds to us. So now in a real time, without agents, you cannot do house registrations. And there is not one agents, multiple agents come to you and they can do work for you, isn't it? So now if you build LLM model, so you can build LLM model for multiple tasks, you can have to create a multiple prompts. Am I correct, guys? So this part is clear. This part is clear. So I'm going to download this file. And before I go ahead to another practical, so what I'm going to do, let's work everyone now. The similar steps we can follow up with open source. Now the first projects we completed, and 17th, the first projects we completed with very simple code, and we refer to GitHub and Creo AI. And this is a paid one. Serper API key is a free till 2500 credit. Then OpenAI API key, it was free till I think September 2023, and after it's a paid one. And by default is $5 cost. $5 cost means it is, I think you can take 500 rupees. Okay. I think we can pay for 500 men because it's not a big story. We eat food outside and we spend 500 with the friends, and we spend this much of money. Yep. So I complete this practical. Guys, are we done? Team, I hope you understood now. All the team members just response, then I go to the next part. So today, sir, what if I'm not giving Serper two tools? Try that. The agents hard to understand. The agents, how the agents will go and search. Amit, try and let me know. Personal agents which can block for us. Yeah, you can do that, buddy. You can do that. Okay. Now, so what you do, same after the session, just create your paid OpenAI API key and complete this practical. Can you do this? Online team, can you do this, guys? Okay. Now, 19th. Now, what I want to do, I just go ahead and see the Serper credit now. Go to the dashboard. Do you see what happened now? I spent another 3 credits, guys. I spent another 3 credits. So Serper API 2, it is given 2,500. After you finish 2,500, you have to pay $50 to it. Paid key. I can get, yeah, you can do that. Error incorrect API key. Check the balance. Yes, Chandan, it is $50. That's right. Now the Serper API key tool is how much price, guys? If you go to the billing, okay. After you complete, okay, 2,500 credit, it is asked for, free, balance free. And if you want to $50, then you get 50,000 credits. So I don't want to pay for 50,000 credits for $50. I have the balance it in my project working sandbox. Try that, Raju, try that and let me know whether it's working or not. Okay. Yeah. Done this. So the first projects we done and we use it. But before that, that's why I'm get understand what difference between and with using. That's for why I'm get understand what difference between using server or not. Now are you clear, Amit Kumar? So very simple. Do one thing. You can remove Serper API and you try and see the response. You can use Serper API. So actually it giving answer. Okay. Using OpenAI, it giving answer. Are you get? Okay, you try. You can try both way. Yes, you can try both way, and let me update me. Okay, and update me in LinkedIn. So can we flush it now? As we run the memory, so what I'm gonna do now, I will go to runtime, restart session. And I'll go and restart my session and file. Can I share this notebook to you, team? File and edit, clear all outputs. I'll download this. Go to the file and download IPyNB file. I downloaded. Okay. Let's close this now and go here and then work with another one. So let's close everything. Let's close everything. Let's close everything. So first projects we completed here. This is my first projects we done. So team, are you clear now? Can we go to the second project? In the second project, it is open source. Now, I want everyone to open your collab. And this projects, we work with open source. That means whatever things we generated, okay, like Creo AI GitHub file. Now we don't do like that way. We can do different platforms and everything open source. You can work with me and update me, guys. Let's start. Okay, team. First one, what software applications we use? First, Google Colab we use. Creo AI. From Creo AI, import agent, task, Creo process. We done this. So second, I'll use a few tools like DuckDuckGo search, Hugging Face Hub, LangChain, Google Gen AI. So generative AI, it is a free. You don't need to pay to generate any key. Now Hugging Face Hub, Hugging Face also it is Hugging Face is one of the company where all models had stored in that like repositories where you can connect multiple models like Llama, Gemma models. You can connect to the Hugging Face and we done many practical long ago. You can refer to that. All right, now let's do things, but first understand what is meant by DuckDuckGo. The main same as Grok. Yeah, no, Grok is different. Grok has limited model provider with Hugging Face has more options. You can compare both Grok and Hugging Face. Yeah. Now, so will we have this recording available? Yeah, yeah, Amit. Yes, it is YouTube. I'll share you all the previous videos. RAG also. You can refer to that. Online team, the student who attend today, I would request you to let's work together now. What is DuckDuckGo search? So it is another API. What is API, guys? API means applications program interfaces. API means applications program interfaces. What exactly it will do? It will collect the data from internet and web pages, and you have like websites or XML articles, any articles, and feed the data to pass the data to LLM models, guys. So these APIs work like that. Understand, team? So 20. Now, so use case, DuckDuckGo API provides query search engine. It is a search engine which is known for privacy focused search results. It is widely used to fetch web search results without user tracking or profiling, making it a popular choice for privacy concise. See, what is meant by privacy? If I post my documents and if I enter my personal details, and that means nobody has to give the document to someone that belongs to me. So DuckDuckGo search, it will refer those are privacy concerns. It don't give whatever the open source it give to us, which is better. Clear what is meant by DuckDuckGo search, everybody? Clear, guys, what is meant by DuckDuckGo search? I know people are leaving. I know, guys, this is advanced things and we have to understand. I'm trying to break down a hard concepts to easy way. Yeah, DuckDuckGo. Hugging Face Hub. What is Hugging Face Hub? Hugging Face Hub is a repository and API platform for hosting and sharing machine learning models, datasets model, pre-trained model, transformers, NLP models such as BERT, GPT, etc. So you can go to the Google and you can refer those details here. Just go here and I can duck DuckDuckGo API. Okay, so this is search engine. You can also, it's referring to Serper itself. Okay, SERP API. It also DuckDuck search engine, isn't it? Okay, so and then Hugging Face Hub. I hope most of them know Hugging Face data sets. And these are the hubs models we have, data sets we have, spaces, posts, docs, pricing, everything we have, guys. So Hugging Face is way advanced. Now the three library we use to build this practical. Now LangChain Google Generative AI. So I hope, so please explain more about Hugging Face. Okay, see, Hugging Face, I already done one class before. You can, I'll share the recording for that, Amit. You can refer to that. Okay, Amit? I already has multiple, do you see Hugging Face Hub? If you go to the Hugging Face documentations team, log into the Hugging Face, go to the documents. In the documents, you can see Hub Python library, transformers, dataset, diffuser, stable diffusion model, Gradio, transformers. So I mean to say, this is a way, see, what is Hugging Face? Hugging Face is collections of pre-trained models, dataset, large dataset, LLM model datasets. There are some post, documents, and pricing. So you can go to the hub and Hugging Face hub documentations. In this hub, what is meant by hub? Hub means everything you can get. There is a IT hub. What is meant by IT hub, guys? Multiple companies gather in one place is called hub. So Hugging Face hub documentations means repositories, models, data sets, everything stay together in one place is called hub. Amit, clear? Okay. So this is the repositories. Now just go here. And what are the things we understood? DuckDuckGo. It is an API and privacy docs. It will not allow user to work. Okay, it will not allow. DuckDuckGo API. It will safe search engine. Okay, provides developer to work. Clear. DuckDuckGo. And then Hugging Face Hub. These all things are open source, guys. Hugging Face Hub means, what is Hugging Face? Hugging Face is a company, okay, which store pre-trained models and the data set, large data sets, and then okay, it collect and comes from documents, multiple documents, multiple docs, and stored everything in one place is called Hugging Face Hub. Okay, and the second one is, just 1 second, let me check, does any user has any question in live YouTube? One moment, just go to NareshIT and okay, just go here. Okay, check this. So LangChain and Google and GenAI. So to do this practical, I want everyone to create a Gemini API key. Do you have this, guys? Everyone? Okay. Just go to the code now. Yes. Can you please create your API key? I think very simple. Go to DeepMind Google Gemini. Okay, Shivani, you have. That's nice. That's nice. And then I'll go ahead. Okay. You can, if you don't have, please create. Team, just log into DeepMind and chart everyone. I'll share this link. Can you please click that? And once you click, go to Google AI Studio. Okay. 1 second. Okay, this is Google AI Studio. And copy the link and chart everyone. Okay, guys, can you please click the link and get API key, and create your new API key. Let me create my new API key and create API key. See, whenever you work generative AI projects, see, you need to create one notepad like that, because do you see there's a multiple API key we have to use, like Entropic and Grok API, ngrok, Hugging Face tokens, Llama models token, Gemini API tokens. I created my new Gemini key. Let's say new Gemini key, and you can mention for a documentation. So the way you save your passwords in one file, we have multiple API keys. I want to share all these API keys. Understand, guys? So with you. Now the next one. So this is API key I generate now. So I'm copy the API key. Let's go to the code. So team, I want, before I go to the practical, just give me a confirmation I generate my API key. It's open source. It's open source. Don't copy mine. You can create your own API key. How many of them done? Okay, very good. How many of them done API key, guys? Ratna Sundar done. Amit, Chandan, everyone. I just need response from you guys. Guys, are you feel boring? No, right? Team, I'm sure you're not feel bored. You learn something new, and this has to be mentioned in your profile resume as well. No, sir, it's interesting. Very good, Amit. Done. Very interesting. Excellent, Rahul. Excellent. Done. Okay. Now, very good, everyone. Everyone create your new Gemini API key. And just do one thing. Go to the document and just here. Okay, I want to go to the Google Colab now. Type google.com and Google Colab. Just log into it. Very good, Sairaz. Excellent answer. Yep. Now open a new notebook. Open a new notebook. Done this? Now follow me and save the file. Save the file. creoai.ipynb file, because it's up to you, and create multiple code now. So up to this, are you clear? So let's do the practical. Now in 28 steps, let's write steps to do the Creo AI multi-agents practical with open source. With open source. These are the steps. Okay. Now let's go to the first step. First step, generate Google API key and stored in your notepad. Second, go to Google and type Google Colab and open new notebook. New notebook. Third one. Okay. So, and rename the file. And rename the file. Okay. Control S. I save. First, I want you to, I'll write few things And then we'll first library. Okay, the first library, listen to me, then you do Creo AI. And second thing is DuckDuckGo search. Third one, Hugging Face _hub. Fourth one, LangChain is LLM model framework, Google and GenAI. Okay. So how many library I have? Creo AI. I want to install all the three. So rather than I'll install one by one. So what I'm going to do, guys, just 1 second, code, and here, 2 minutes. 1 second. Okay. Do you see like this? I want to select this file. Go here and files. Now the fourth point is in the collab, in the notebook file, left pan, click the last button, which is file. Fourth. Are you guys done this? Are you guys done up to here? I'll open my chart window. Done. Just click this. And I want to right click new file and mention requirement.txt. And I'll copy all the library and I just go here and paste and remove all the hash. So please do so, guys. What I'm trying to say, very simple. Once you go to the file, right click new file, requirement.txt, and write all these 4 libraries and Control S, save it. And I'm waiting for everyone. Once you're done, please type D. Once you're done, please type D. Chandan done. I know you can do it. Anyone else? Done. Type D. Okay. All right. Excellent. Now just go to the documentations. In the documentations, what did I done, guys? Here, fourth point. The fourth point, in file section, right click, and I mentioned few libraries, guys, and save with requirement.txt. Fifth one, do this. Go to the file. This one. What is the Creo AI? We know what is Creo AI now. DuckDuckGo search, we understand. I already explained to you. Hugging Face Hub, we knew that. Now LangChain, Google GenAI, these are all open source. And just once you're done, then close. Now, can we install this library, guys? How do you install? Now, exclamatory mark, pip, install R, tab, no, RUQUIREMENT .txt. Can you please write this command? REQUIREMENT. Just go ahead and we done it. Just wait. Okay, fantastic. And I want everyone to install this. Once I want everyone to install this. Sir, what will DuckDuckGo search? What is the difference between DuckDuckGo search and Serper search? Amit, you don't listen to classes? DuckDuckGo is available inside the Serper API. Understand, Amit? DuckDuckGo is, if you open the DuckDuckGo search, I told you, Serper API is a way better because in DuckDuckGo search available inside Serper. So if you see this DuckDuckGo search, just now I mentioned, So DuckDuckGo search engine result API, SERP API or not? So DuckDuckGo search is open source where no privacy details information is available in DuckDuckGo. Correct? Understand now? Okay. What about R? Requirement. You have to mention R. If not, then it not installed, Mahesh. Just go here and let me check. Thank you. Guys, I want to see, are you able to install it? Requirement.txt. See, for me, it's completed. So what is the first thing? I just click here, requirement.txt. I mention all the 4 libraries and I install the things, guys. Now let's close my file. Installed. So how many of them completed? How many of them completed, guys? Installed. Fantastic. Fantastic. Only 2. Okay. I hope it required good internet power, guys. Then only it will work, or else it's not work. Prabhu done. Chandan done. Sudhir done. Installed. Fantastic. Can I move on to the next step? Good. Just go here and I move on to the next step now. Just refer to this now. Sir, one show me the pip install. Ramana, can you check the spelling might be wrong? Check the spell. Okay, error couldn't find a version that satisfy requirement. .txt. No, you need to install this code, guys. Check this. Requirement not, I mean spelling is wrong. I mean, who is got error? Pranay, can you check? I think you got the error because what I told you just file, click on the file, right click new file, requirement.txt. You already done that. Okay. This is the new file, change requirement.txt. And once you open it, Crew AI, DuckDuckGo search, Hugging Face Hub, and LangChain, you mention all those things. And here you can copy and save it. And after that, pip install. See, if you mention here, if you remove definitely get an error. Very simple steps, guys. This is completed, Pranay. If not, you can do. Let me finish this now. Okay, team. All right, done. Okay. Everyone completed, guys? Raman, are you completed? Okay, good. Now go to the next one. Okay, now we install the requirement. Now I have to import from. So we import some of the packet modules. Now I want to import OS. Let's a little bit up. Okay, a little bit. Okay. Now just scroll down and import OS from LangChain. Okay, google.genai. Import chart. Okay, Google generative AI. I'm not typing entire thing. So the first one. And now from Crew AI, okay, from Crew AI, import. What are the things import? We imported, and we task. Just 1 second. We import agents, task, and last time, what are the topics imported, guys? And then we have crew and process, isn't it? Task and crew and process. Let me check the spelling from, okay. And then from Crew AI, all right. Import agents, task, crew, and process. Fantastic. Now what next? Next, from, I think I'll go to the LangChain, okay, dot tools, because Crew AI tools, I don't want to go to the LangChain. I want to go for, okay, DuckDuckGo search dot run. Check this. DuckDuckGo search run. I just want to import the 4 library. That's it. Import the 4 libraries. just go ahead and execute. Team, are you installed? Are you execute this code? Are you very simple? OS operating system, chart, Google generative AI. We import this module from this framework, and agent, task, crew, process from crew AI, and import DuckDuckGo search run, because internally it hit to the API and get the data for us. Amit, clear? So we have LangChain framework dot tools. Any questions so far? Everybody imported? Fantastic. Everyone is imported? Okay. Now, so once you complete, I'll go to the next move. So what we done, guys, now here, I want to set a Gemini Flash model, okay, as LLM. Here, LLM is Gemini model is LLM model, guys. Now we create API key, right? I need to pass my API key. Now what you need to do, so once you're done, let's have a look at this. I want to create a variable. Let's create a LLM model. In LLM model, okay, automatically, what is the thing I got? Chart, Google generative AI. And here I want to, from which model I need to call. Gemini provides almost uh, many models, guys. The first one is Gemini and 1.5 Flash. How I know? Because I work multiple projects. Because if you go to, where is Gemini? Okay. Do you see these are the models we have, guys? Gemini 1.5 Flash. Are you see this? So these are the models we have. The new model Gemini 1.5 Flash. You can copy that and let me enter to the chart as well. You can try. Oh, okay. Just move to everyone and you can try that. Just go here and I'll mention Gemini 1. Flash model. So let's create verbose true. All right. And then, so all these models are open source. Yeah, yes, Amit, these models are free. That's what I'm giving you the work. You haven't done any model before? Okay. So TEMPRE. Let's write TEMPRATURE. Temperature equals to a maximum temperature you can pass 0.7, but here I load 0.5. And then let's connect to Google underscore API underscore key is equals to, I think I have my key. Where did I copy my key? This is my key. Let me copy the key here and then I paste. Okay, that's nice. So I think it should work. Let me check if not work. Okay. So model true and then try this. Fantastic. So guys, can you please write this now? See, you don't no need to use my API key. Can you please use your API key? If you use my API key, my code is not run. My code is not run. So please don't. Last time, this is what one guy done, guys. So my all credit balance is completed. Yeah. Let me know how many of them completed. Just very simple. You can done. Okay. So can you show the previous line? Ramana, this one, wait, I will copy and paste the previous line. Can you check, Ramana? I'll share to you. You copy and execute. Yes, sir. Successfully run this, guys. Okay. Done. Sanjit, excellent. I can see your messages, guys. I can see your messages and I appreciate your time on this Sunday. That's called quality, guys. So I need quality people to learn the codes and just get placed. Okay. Very good, Nikita. Okay. Dipti done. Fantastic. Okay. Now I can add model. Now let's see. I want to search. So let's create a search variable for searches from the Google directly. Tool, I create a new variable search and duck go search run. And let's create a functions for this and execute. Now see the code, very simple. Here we install this library, and after the installations I import these modules from LangChain Crew, all those things, and then I create a LLM model. Then I need to create a search. Now using this DuckDuckGo search, it passed to the LLM, and with the help of Creo AI, it run multiple agents for that. Okay, now once you're done, please let me know. Once you're done, please let me know. Create searches. Done, everybody, up to this now? Fantastic. So we are doing open source model now. I already explained two projects. First projects we done in with API key. Okay. For understand, I'll define, see, because if I type this in front of you, you can't type and it take more time. So what I'm going to do now, let's copy everything and I'll paste here. Okay. Listen to me. Then I'll do one thing. I'll go to the chart window and I'll paste here, enter. Can you copy and paste in your next line, everyone? And I'll tell you, in the prior projects, I done two things. We create a two agent and two task. The same thing we done. So we need to create a email analysis. Let me know. I'm just waiting for you. Exactly. So how many of them completed? Got half person. No, I just know I gave full now. Do you see email outputs? Still you have email outputs. Yeah, done. Got half portions done. See, this is not a code. This is we given a task to our agents. Harshit, Sanjit, Chandan. Chandan, why you do half? It's complete. First thing, let's understand. Now, before you don't execute now, I'll tell you email task. What is the task assigned? Generate two distinct variation of a cold email promoting video editing. Okay, solution. This is the first point I assigned to task. Well, this is my task. Now, second task is evaluate the written emails for effective and engagement. It is half pasted, is it? No, man. Wait. Okay, do one thing. Do one thing. Yes. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. Now copy. Now, can you please post this till LLM, everyone? Can you please post this till LLM, everyone, and let me know once you're done? Then I'll post half. Completed? Yes, Chandan. Now just go ahead and try this now. Now go ahead and try this. Now second half. Now you got full now. No. I have another half. Just wait. I just broken down into 3 pieces. Okay. I want everyone to till 3 part please done. Let me know how many of them done. 115. I know people will drop off. So please see previous code. Okay, do one thing. I will copy everything and paste. It can't paste. Okay, listen to me, guys. Listen to me. I'll broke down into pieces now. Or maybe Okay, listen to me. Just wait for some time. First, I will give this piece, defining agent, and I need response from everyone. Done this first piece code, first breakdown. Let me know. Done it? Delete everything. I mean, not delete everything means till this cell. In this cell, okay. Can you hear me, team? Everyone, are you guys hear me? Because I don't see any response from you. This is the first agent. Team, are you there? Okay, yes, sir, complete. So I'm in previous cell code. Prabhuji, previous cell code, this one. Tool search, duck search, go run. This one. I'll copy and what happened? Just 1 second. Yes, hide window. Go to the chart now. Okay. This piece completed, Shivani? Okay, done, sir. Very good, Vargavi. Can you please copy marketing strategy now? Can you copy marketing strategy? I share it. Check this. Okay, done. Marketing strategy. Can you copy this strategy? Again, content specialist. So 3 code I shared. First, email agent. And then marketing strategy. Then content strategy. Then last, define task. Let me know. So execute flow. So first thing, the first one is defining agents. The second one is defining task. The third one is create single crew and execute flow. Done. Very good. Now, I just need response now. If you're stuck, I will share it again. Don't worry. The students who cannot work, I will share the live link. You can watch it. You can watch it later of the classes. Deepthi only done. What about rest of them? Can you please verify one more time? First thing, done, sir. Okay. Now here, how many agents we had, guys? 1 agent, 2 agent, 3 agent. 3 agent. What is work assigned to the agent? Professional email author. Second agent, marketing strategy. Third agent, content specialist. Are you guys clear? Are you guys clear? So if you go to the Creo AI GitHub, you can have, if you refer to the GitHub, and you can see 3 agents, 1, 2, 3. I assigned 3 AI agents. Okay, again, I'll tell you, professional email author, marketing strategy, and content specialist. Task. Task I assigned. How many tasks? Only one task I assigned. What is the task? Multiple task. Generate 2 distinct variation, written email for their effective and engagement, and scrutinize and emails for grammatical corrections and clarity. Adjust the email to align with best practices for cold. Name email crew is not defined. The last one, did I share this? Single crew. Email crew I didn't share, guys. Oh, okay. Let me know. Wait. I'll copy and check this. You have to paste email crew after the task. Okay, Krish, I shared now. And then execute flow. Just go and execute now. Let's see. Fantastic. Check. Please execute. How many of them able to run? Are you able to see my screen, guys? Are you able to see my screen? Yes. Okay. Great. Now, see, look at your task now. Do one thing. After go home, you can write any. Okay, I got my answer. Did you see? Subject finished chain, email generations, effortless video editing for stunning result. Hi, name. Are you try to spending us? Got it. Excellent, guys. Email verification. Do you see now I got my email responses? How agents will help multiple tasks. Now you can refer to it a little bit. So, guys, isn't it? It's awesome now, isn't it? I don't know how many of them understand, but I really enjoy this tasks, guys, because it's very informative, and you can this is the way you can implement these work in your organizations as well. How many of them done? Chandan, it's how is it's good session now? Excellent. Check your response and read your responses and update me. And in the meantime, just give me 2 seconds. And how many of them response? Let me know if you got any error. Okay, email is not defined. Wait, I will already share the code. Okay, Ravi, fantastic. Copy. Okay. So guys, how many of them done? Email crew, I will share. Just wait. Go to my code and go to my code. Email crew. Okay. What will be the use it for emails in a different sector based on content? Krish, very simple. Still you don't understand? I mean to say there is a multiple work we done. We created professional email. My agents are generated professional email, and in there they use the marketing strategy to work, and then they critic refine email content. All those things has been defined or not? In organization level, you have a business, you can see your sales, you can see your client, you can get to know which client has more profit, more losses. You can do multiple work at same time, and these things you cannot done by any LLM models. So LLM models along with the Creo AI, along with search engine, so in internally it search, but organizations, you cannot find out any Google. You load your documents. Organization has many documents, and those documents has a privacy policies. So based on that, you can combine, and that's the way the organizations can work. Krish, I hope I respond to your question. Create single crew, I already share it. Krish, are you clear? Now, Prabhuji, try that. Now see, what is the task we've been assigned? First task, generate two distinct variation of cold email promoting video editing solution. First task, evaluate the written email for the effective and engagement. Now, if you read this content first, okay, so these are the tasks I assigned or not? These many tasks. Now, first, crew, read the task. Then, entering new crew agent, thought, I need to generate. Does this code work on VS Code? Chandan, I try. It's not work for me. But if your laptop is Mac, it will work. Thought, I need to generate two variation of cold email and video editing solution. I will delegate this. And thoughts, I need to generate two variations. And after the generation two variations, now finally, I need to generate variations of cold. Final answer, email verification and subject effect effortless of video editing for stunning result. Hi, are you try to spending hours editing videos? We get it creating compiling content and video editing solution name. You can video editing solution name and ready to take your video editing sincerely. And also we create email verification too. And this all the details we get responses based on the situations, guys, based on the scenario. Team, I hope understand. So the main agenda, the main theme of the practical is how multiple AI agents has integrated with LLM models and with DuckDuckGo search or Serper API to make your work done. And even though you has multiple tasks, you can work easily with the help of the model to save your time. Do you know agile projects, Scrum Masters? Because every projects they given some time frame to complete it. You need to complete in 1 week, I mean 1 month, something like that. So these learnings would boost up your productions and time saving and cost factors and automizations your process. Your projects does not require 10 people or 20 people, because rather than 10 20 people, so these all refer to automizations your projects, guys. How many of them understand? Is provide more. OpenAI, Amit. OpenAI is better. Got the context. Chandan, clear? Krish, are you clear? Amit, everybody? Okay. So how many of them understand, guys? How many of them understand? Just clear. Mandip, Sudhir. So guys, if you really uh, like this practical, see, we almost spent this much of time, so the live is going on, and I want you, this is the live video, you can share to your friends, and don't forget to like and comments, guys. Please comment it. Chandan, what happened? LangChain chains agents. I will share this GitHub. Can you please take down this GitHub? Do you need this material, guys? Do you need this material? Chandan, I think yes. How many of them want material? Okay, Mac, Ashish, yes sir. So then I need one, put up a conditions. Just go to this link, YouTube, the video link. I want you to mention the comment, how you feel the sessions and is it informative? And then you can put up your comment so that I can bring up all advanced things like this to you. Every week I'm planning to make new things, guys. So I shared the live link to you. So you can go ahead and do that. And are you done, everyone? Please. So also, let me tell you, if any of your friends, sir, kindly share. I will share, Ravi. I'll share the GitHub link. And also, let me tell you, so the projects we completed, see this, you know what I said? Just 1 second. Okay. See, the GenA market jobs is growing. If you see the market trends, we are at 2024 and the growing factor is increasing till 2032. So it's give you boost up more. The more companies they facing issue has to deployment, they own set up their own infrastructures because it required more cost effective with all the text tokens. So you can implement with multiple things, guys. And also, I previously almost 12 generative AI sessions I made. So the moment when I shared this PDF file to you, so spend your time, Chat GPT, generative AI workshop, large language model, GANs and VQGAN, how we work with multimodal, LangChain, LangSmith, OpenAI, LLM Ops, Google, and Llama 3 Hugging Face OLama, Grok Hugging Face LangChain, NLP RAG Creo AI. So we build single simple RAG with the one documents, multiple multimodal RAG. I'll just come back on a few more advanced codes and I will give you this one. Okay, so next one, I'm start a new training batch tomorrow from 4 p.m. and this would be the meeting ID and password, or you can connect to this. So in this classes, I covered GenAI, LLM models, prompt engineering, and Azure Service, CI/CD pipeline, MLOps, RAG, and also data science. Everything comes up, MLAI, NLP. It's 5 to 6 month session, Monday to Friday, at 4 p.m. So if any friends who wanted to learn, so this is the best platform. You can come and attend offline. And this is the QR code. You can scan it. The old students not for you, the new students for you. And this is the drive link. And trust me, we've been spend more time 2 hours on this week, because when you mention your comments, so it would be a way better to NareshIT and us to bring up a lot of content. And that's what I'm saying, to have comments, likes, and please do so now. I will share the GitHub right now. Before, oh, okay, I just file download. I already downloaded. Guys, there's a small thing I want to assign. Are you guys there or left? Okay. So before that, yes, go to the Creo AI GitHub. If you go back to the GitHub, you can have this landing page generator, having human input on execution, strip planner, stock analysis. You can do, guys. This Creo AI is very platform for stock, because stock is biggest impact on global economy. So this would be the fantastic. You can work with these practicals as well. So 1 second, I will share. Okay. So all these things are given here. Just create multiple agents. Let's copy. And okay, this is shared here. And everyone. Okay, so guys, post your comments. So how to create API key? Does it require create projects? Which API key, Krish? Which API key you want? Gemini API key or Llama API key, or any projects you want to open API key? Just go to the Google DeepMind, create Google Studio and API key. I already told that. So can you watch this recording? Copy and paste here. Krish, understand or any question? Okay, very simple. You can go to Google here and get API key. Once you get API key, create API key. Okay, create API key, and you after create API key, you can create automatically cloud projects will come up, and then you can create it. Okay, Krish. Any questions so far, guys? Any questions? And I hope 29 we completed theory and 2 projects. First projects is for it's not open source. It's not open source. And second projects we completed with open source. And also I shared my GitHub. In the GitHub, I give another projects. Just go to 30. And team, I really appreciate your time and spending with me on this special Sunday. And happy weekends to everyone. And like and comment, guys. And don't forget it, because it boosts us to put up more videos on the sessions. Thank you, team. Any questions so far? I'll unmute you. We can speak. If you have any questions, you can. Good, Mayank. How many of them done the practical? How many of them generate? I shared the GitHub. Okay, copy. Done. Prabhu done. Mayank done. Okay, very good. Done, sir. Rahul, Amit, excellent. Chandan, done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ravi, 6. Only 6. At least done. Thank you very much. Valuable. Thank you, Sudhir. Ratan, you done? Good, guys. So can you post your comments and likes so that we can catch up on next workshop if possible. All right. Thank you. And happy weekends to everyone. And good day. Bye, guys. Great session. Thank you, Anna. Amit, please. Okay, don't forget to buy team. All right. Just Thank you. I'm signing off. Happy weekends to everyone and have a good day. Let me stop my recording. And as I promise, it's 2 hours. Yup, it's good. It's exactly 2 hours. Thanks. Stop recording and sign up. Bye, team.